How you doing? This is Lou from TruckSmart Isuzu. I just want to do a quick walk around of this Ford F750 sign truck. It is a 2017. It has a 500-pound capacity outer winch there that you can see. It has an Elliot G85R boom, which has an 85-foot working height, continuous rotation. The main winch on this has a 5,600-pound capacity. It has 4 hydraulic outriggers. It is powered by a PowerStroke 6.7-liter diesel. This particular one has 55,000 miles on it. It has 4 underbody toolboxes, a Bobcat 225 welder, an 11,000 watt generator. It has been fully serviced and fully detailed. Stock number of this one is 10192. We'd love to have you come out and see it. We're at TruckSmart Isuzu in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Our phone number is 215-946-7221. You can view more pictures and this video at www.trucksmartisuzu. The side reach on this is 61 feet. And again, the working height of this is 85 feet. A little jealous. It's a beautiful day to be up in that bucket. While he's bringing the bucket down, I'm going to do a little closer up with the truck for you. See, looks beautiful. Upper toolbox, the underbody toolboxes, you can see the outriggers. Get a little better view of the welder. The bucket's a little bit up in the air. Controls are all back here for the Outriggers. So again, this is 55,000 miles. It's a diesel, has air brakes, and you can view it on www.TruckSmart Isuzu. And feel free to give us a call for more questions at 215-946-7221. And we're located in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. All right. Well, thank you very much. Have a great day.